Hi guys, welcome all. So let's start with the tutorial videos. I have been uploading various videos through the series. So I thought let's make a tutorial of all the videos one by one so that you can improve or you can change whatever is going wrong in your practice, or maybe you can change as per like new techniques which I am doing. And why you should follow me? Because I have been practicing it since like age of like what 7 or 8. Have read various books and effects are very prominent. So today I'm gonna show you how to do Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a 12 position yoga. It is known as sun salutation, and it is kind of whole yoga in itself. The benefits of Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation is that it stretches your body, it warms up your body, it helps in reducing the obesity, it will flex the tight muscles of your legs and your hamstrings, it will help you to get prepared for the coming session. If you start doing Surya Namaskar starting from 3 repetitions to up to 24 repetitions, 50 repetitions, you do not need anything else. You can just completely finish off yoga doing just sun salutation for like 20-25. Do the pranayam and then you can finish off. So sun salutation is a complete yoga in itself. Let's start with Surya Namaskar. The thing is that it has 12 positions in it. So first you raise your arms, come in the Namaskar position, then you breathe in, stretch backwards, and then you breathe out and bend. Try to touch the ground in front of you with the palms and like something like this. And if you're not capable, just bend to the point which you can. Then you come in. Then you take your right leg or left leg back. Keep one leg in front and see upwards and stretch your body. Then you take your forward leg backward and come in the mountain position or rock post asana, and you are looking towards your stomach, your thighs. You stretch and then you just rest on your chest and make sure that your stomach is not touching ground at all. Followed by Bhujangasana. You inhale, you look upwards, and you hold the position. You come back and you're gonna repeat all the starting position from once again. So you again exhale out, go to rock post asana. Then you bring your opposite leg first. If you have kept your left leg forward, now you're gonna put your right leg forward and then you see upwards. And after that you come in the forward bend position with your legs straight. Try to keep your knees straight, do not bend your knees. And you go to the bend position, backward bend, and come to the Namaskar position again. This is all theory part, so let's get started. Inhale, inhale and go backward. Exhale. See, I'm able to touch the ground with my palms, keeping my knees straight. You can see it like that. If you're not, just bend to the point where you can easily without breaking or making an injury to your back. Now from this position, you're gonna keep your left leg forward. You can keep your right leg also and try to see up, and you inhale and see upward. Hold this position. Now you're gonna come to rock post asana. Make sure that your stomach do not touch it. You are just supporting yourself on your chest and your knees, and keep your butt and your stomach upward. Now come in the bhujang position. Exhale. Repeat the whole process again. I'm gonna show you from the other side. You will like something like this. Come to rock post asana. Rock post asana is basically keep your legs to the ground and see inward. Now opposite leg. So this was the tutorial. I'm gonna show you the whole process again. So likewise, you can do as many repetitions of Surya Namaskar as you are comfortable with. If you're starting, just do only 3 repetitions. If you are moderate, you practice it regularly. Increase your practice of Surya Namaskar to 7 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 24. It's gonna help you a lot. So bye bye guys. Let's see you in another tutorial. Bye bye.